Hello and welcome, Victor here from Multifunction Crewe, and I am delighted to show you around this Volkswagen Polo 1.0 EVO SE. Finished in smart grey and powered by 1-litre petrol engine producing 65 PS paired with manual transmission, this Polo delivers efficient and user-friendly motoring. The Polo features halogen headlights with daytime running lights, body-colored bumpers, mirrors and side seals for a clean and modern look. The 15-inch alloy wheels offer a balanced mix of comfort and efficiency, ideal for navigating urban streets while keeping the ride smooth and composed. At the back you'll find LED license plate lighting, high-mounted brake light and a rear wiper with reverse activation for convenience. The boot features variable load floor and split folding 60/40 rear seats, making it easy to switch between daily essentials and weekend getaways. Rear passengers benefit from free head restraints, ISOFIX mounts and seatbelt reminders. There's also ambient lighting, pair of cup holders and electric windows for extra convenience. The front cabin includes height adjustable front seats, multifunction leather steering wheel, premium detailing like chrome trim on the controls, as well as storage which is abundant with under-seat trays and multiple door pockets. The leather multifunction steering wheel gives you control over media, phone and trip data, while the wide backlit dials and multifunction computer keep key information clear and easy to follow. The car is equipped with manual air conditioning with pollen filter and dust filter, which keeps the cabin fresh and comfortable, especially during warmer months. Infotainment system offers composition media with DAB and USB connectivity, as well as telephone and app connect with Bluetooth and smartphone integration for apps and calls. Car menu including thin blue trainer, allowing you to monitor your eco-driving style, and sound settings, allowing you to adjust the acoustics to your lighting. This has been a presentation of the Volkswagen Polo 1.0 EVO SE. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.